Samsung Galaxy S11 will have a waterfall screen with this crazy slider design. A new design of Samsung Galaxy S11 Plus slider smartphone with the edge display appeared on the network. The patent shows a stylish Samsung Galaxy phone with a retractable screen which gives you roughly a 25% larger screen. The device has a strongly rounded waterfall display, suitable for the high-end S series. Has been officially introduced and so is already cautiously awaited Samsung's next top model. The new S-series models are expected in beginning of 2020. There will probably be another 3 units released: the Galaxy S11e, the S11 and the S11 Plus, the latter being the top model. The S8, S9 and S10 were quite similar in design. Still, friends from Dutch tech news site Let's Go Digital with new discoveries. This time is a supposed drawing of Galaxy S11. According to the intellectual property registration documents that Samsung has registered in the US, they have registered to design a Galaxy smartphone with a flexible screen and a slider. You just need to push up the slide and the screen will expand by 25%, and the rear camera assembly will be revealed. This also means the rear camera assembly will be protected from dust and better scratches. Instead of pursuing a perforated screen design for the front camera, Samsung may use the old style design for the front camera, speakerphone and proximity sensor without fear of occupying the 21:9 screen area, because the slide has solved this problem. If Samsung decides to use this design for the Galaxy S11, it means that it will continue to gamble the flexible screen that began with Galaxy Fold earlier this year. Pushing the slider to expand the screen does not make the device completely different, as the Galaxy Fold has hinge, but it also makes the device more durable and more familiar to the users. Still, a rumor maybe Samsung will introduce the Galaxy S11 sometime in early 2020, and unofficial information surrounding Samsung's flagship smartphone has begun to appear. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, peace out.